Right now, family advocates are calling for action. They say new parents need more help to cover the cost of raising a child. The Western New York Women's Foundation says it costs more than $13,000 per year to care for an infant. Most parents say they have limited access to childcare and that affects their ability to hold a steady job. Senior reporter EILEEN Buckley is live in Delaware Park. And EILEEN, these groups say childcare providers are really feeling the strain.
Well, that's right, Ashley. Right now, we have some daycare providers, advocates, family and parents are just starting to gather here. Well, they will get together for a rally to participate in a national day of action called A Day Without Childcare. Now, this event starting here at Delaware Park, we're located by the Rose Garden near a playground across from the Albright Knox. They will begin marching in a little while up to Elmwood Avenue, just about a block away to Elmwood Avenue, to the History Museum for their rally, which will start next hour.
The funding is crucial. The funding is not flagrant or luxury. It is a critical need to keep our doors open.
Child care providers across the nation and right here in Western New York say we're in the midst of a daycare crisis.
What we have presently is a system that's not working for anybody.
Child care providers across 27 states and Washington, D.C. are closed for a one-day strike to demonstrate. But providers in the Buffalo-Niagara region are open and instead hosting a rally Monday night. Western New York Child Care Action Team and the Western New York Women's Foundation hosted a Zoom news conference to call on the federal government to provide action to support three areas: to support a living wage for providers, create an equitable child care system built on racial justice, and make it affordable for all families. Do you really expect them to, come forward with something substantial that will get those 3 bullet points accomplished?
We are certainly pushing Senator Schumer as part of the Empire State Campaign on childcare, and all of these collaborative and coalition efforts are really pushing him to put something on the floor before the end of session and begin to invest in universal childcare.
Providers say they are dealing with the worst staffing shortages ever in an industry that pays poverty wages.
We're right now experiencing the highest sustainability hardship since the beginnings of childcare in the United States. And it was the 1830s it started.
Those who work as childhood educators say daycare staff is overworked and underpaid.
I'm writing lesson plans. I'm watching over at least 18 to 20 toddlers. Okay, including diaper changes. Everybody understand what that is?
It's not working for childcare providers who are among the lowest 2% of wage earners in the entire economy.
Providers and advocates say troubles in the daycare industry have been brewing for decades, but the pandemic pushed it over the edge.
Now, roughly 1,500 care providers closed in just the first year of the pandemic in New York State. So this issue has only gotten worse.
The child care ripple effect has harmed the economy. Last year, the pandemic forced more than 2 million working moms out of jobs. Many families are begging for affordability.
I'm the primary caregiver for my father, my 3 girls, the director of operations at a not-for-profit organization, and a wife. I would absolutely benefit from childcare. However, it's too expensive.
Now, I was just looking at some of the signs a little earlier for this rally, and one of them said simply essential. And that really sums up what folks are asking for is quality and affordable daycare for all. Now, again, this march will start here in a little while as more people gather, and they will walk up to the History Museum, which is about a block away on Elmwood Avenue. They will all gather in solidarity to draw attention to this crisis. Live at Delaware Park, EILEEN Buckley, 7 News.